Expert craftsmen with a focus on building structures with bricks or other masonry components are known as bricklayers. They construct walls, foundations, arches, and other masonry elements by laying bricks in a variety of patterns and shapes using mortar. Bricklayers, often operating as small businesses or sole proprietorships, require accounting and financial services to ensure their operations run smoothly and profitably. Let's explore the importance of bookkeeping and accounting for bricklayers. Financial management, draw-in investors, profitability analysis, cash flow management, operational efficiency, financial reporting. At Meru Accounting, we provide professional bookkeeping and accounting services to help you optimize your bricklaying business. Our staff will assist you with managing expenses, keeping tabs on work costs, filing appropriate tax returns, and providing insightful advice to help your company grow. Let's explore the core aspects of bookkeeping and accounting for bricklayers. Payroll taxes, insurance for workers' compensation, remittance and collection of sales tax, property-based taxes, equipment depreciation, interest payments on loans, licenses and permits for businesses. Here are some services offered by Meru Accounting for bricklayers. Monitoring and reporting work costs, equipment upkeep and depreciation, negotiation and management of suppliers, insurance for employee benefit management. Superior monitoring permit and license administration, monitoring safety compliance, finance and management of debt. Accurate bookkeeping and accounting are crucial for bricklaying businesses to maintain financial stability and regulatory compliance. Partner with Meru Accounting to simplify your bricklaying business with our expert bookkeeping and accounting services.